Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now you guys, we all know we are sick of Ebo. We are sick of him looking like he has been taking the wins, because last week guys, it just looked like Untando was just taking L's, one L after another L. But guys, there has been an ongoing issue that like just keeps coming up now and again, which is that the Queendom staff and the crew have not been receiving their salaries, you guys. So news there has been reported which they are on a break from shooting or recording, guys, up until their salaries are paid. I don't even know Uti how like this is going to, when are we going to have the next episodes? Asazi, guys, but this is just so sad, really sad, because I'm like, the show is such a good show for them to even be going through such things. I mean, maybe if they were on Zanzi Magic, because maybe it's like a much more bigger channel or something like that, maybe we wouldn't be speaking about stuff like this. But yeah, guys, unfortunately, production, recording, the actors, everything, the crew is on pause. They are taking a break. And there's no episodes that have been released, guys. So we are just going to have to keep waiting and seeing what's going to happen. But I also don't foresee this show being renewed for season 2, because I mean, this is the second time they taking a break within one season. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever heard of anything like that. But anyway, guys, Pepi san as Pepi senini nabamanzi. Asaz. I don't even know what more to say. But anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.